Excuse me, this is my first time flying. Can you please help me?
Of course. Don't worry, I'll guide you. Where are you flying to?
I'm going to Dubai. I have the ticket on my phone.
Great. Please show me your ticket and your ID or passport.
Here they are.
Thank you. Now you need to check in. You can do it here at the counter.
Do I need to give my bag?
Yes, if it's big. We'll weigh it and tag it for check-in. Keep your small bag with you as hand luggage.
Okay. What do I do after this?
After check-in, go through security check. Then, wait at your gate. Your gate number is on your boarding pass.
What time should I go to the gate?
Be there at least 45 minutes before departure. Boarding usually starts early.
Thank you so much. I was very nervous.
No problem at all. Enjoy your first flight.